Hey everyone, this is the Butter Lovers Popcorn from Miss Megan Johnson, 12 at $1.50. Copy the list. Go live. 10 o'clock. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 or higher. 10 o'clock. And we have an 11. 10 o'clock. 12 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the 10th time, we still have 12 items on the list. Miss Florence McCormick is on the top. Miss Kirby Miller is on the bottom. We've randomized 10 times. The dice call for an 11. 10:01, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. In spot 4, Miss Connie Wade is the winner. Congrats, Miss Connie. 12 items on the list. 11 times. The dice call for an 11. Verify code. And we are done at 10:01. Thanks, everyone.